It's recording.
It's recording now.
Yeah, that's okay.
I spilled. I need a towel. Like, I'm serious. Like,
Oh, it's my
I need a
jacket. Let's not use my
towel.
jacket.
Get off, Angela! I need a towel.
Go get one.
I can't. It's holding in my legs. It's like in my legs, sitting there. Do you see? No, open up my closet. Open up my closet.
Hey, what do I do?
Like, open up my closet. It's just like sitting. It won't attack you. Open it up. Hurry up. Open up other side.
To Rugrats.
See the pink and white one at the bottom? Hurry! Ah!
Hey, where's my drama club shirt from like 5 years ago?
In my closet.
Is that recording?
Will you hold this for a
Hey, you
second?
said
Put this back over there.
you're all like,
It's recording.
you're all like,
don't.
let's record something interesting. Well, here we go.
Well, that's interesting. And guess what? It's on my side of the bed. That's ridiculous. Do you see this? Do you see this?
It looks like you leeches. Pretty. Are you on your period?
No, I'm not. Actually, I just got off of it.
I did not see you spill that red drink.
You saw it in my legs. Now it's all sticky.
She's crazy.
Sticky. Your face isn't even in it. Like you were talking about, she's crazy. You couldn't even see your face. So who's crazy now? You. You a cookie? You want a cookie?
No, here, take the camera. Hi, Jennifer. It's Summer LA. Woo! Robert Classman.
You know, this has been recording for like 2 minutes.
Yeah, I know, right? Just stop it.